0x8007045d motherboard, and I have problem with booting Windows 10 after a while. So I thought probably some kind of settings has been changed, and I'm suspicious. It is a suspicious reason for SATA mode settings. So I go to advanced here and change AHCI to ID mode. So I save change and then boot from my hard drive. So I go to advanced and then troubleshoot and then advanced options and startup repairs. It takes sometimes diagnosing your PC to be finished. It might appears checking disk for errors, and as you watch here you might wait some moments. As you watch, it is okay for Windows after changing these settings, and you watch by changing these settings to AHCI mode or leaving it on these settings. We probably will have some kind of errors like what you see on this screen after after Windows loading. So it is important to change your BIOS settings to one of these settings, HCI mode or IDE. If accidentally or due to battery loss of your motherboard, they change, and this way your problem will be solved. So thanks for watching FYP Academy viewers. Have a good time. Bye.